My name is Stanley Nnajuba. I'm a participant of MMM in Port Harcourt. I was opportune to be in Guidance School, which I have been hunting all this while. MMM is a great community, which nobody can think of bringing it down. Right now, I am making a video to tell the world what MMM is all about. As you can see, MMM is written here. As you can see my slide, we need to define what MMM is all about before we continue. As I rightly told you, I'm one of the students that were opportune to have the privilege in Guidance School today, which by name Stanley Nnajuba. MMM is 1 in a million, and my thanks and appreciation must go to my mentor, Mentor Smart. He is indeed a wonderful person. Without him, I couldn't have known what MMM entails. I just know MMM on the shadow, not knowing that I'm missing a lot. Patience, as I said earlier on, is the best. So we have to start. This is the MMM we need to know, which is MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect people's money. MMM is not an online business, Hype Investments or MLM program. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. Remember, you provide help in a MMM community. You use your spare money. Then I have to tell you the ideology of MMM. This is MMM also, the ideology. It's a global community, as I said before, of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. MMM doesn't have central accounts where money goes in. To tell you that MMM is really doing wonders. So let's know how it works. This is it. MMM is working. Participants in MMM are extremely at risk and can lose at any time. All your money, do not forget this. You have that idea in mind that you can lose your money. They do advise that we should put spare money because it's donation, free will donation to each other. There is no company. MMM doesn't have company. There is no share transaction and relationship with the professional participants of the share market. Not sure. Any product you do not get. Any source of income is also not here. No, no, and no. I made it earlier for us to understand that MMM do not guarantee anybody, either promises, neither explicit or implicit. Do not create the mistaken belief that you can become rich quick here in a MMM community. It is purely for donation for people in need. When you scroll down here, you see another of my slides which is the rules and regulations of MMM. In MMM, people are allowed only with one account. That is rule number 1. You cannot be having multiple accounts, which is highly prohibited. We must be honest and fair to one and all. We must be responsible for our own accounts. It's a good one. We must not cheat the system by making dummy accounts. All of the participants should be more cautious and obedient enough to obey the MMM ideology, which is helping each other. We must follow the ideology to obtain financial freedom and must help each other for the longevity of the system. It's very, very important. Then we'll come to the benefits. Because anything, any work has its reward. This is the benefit here. You can see here, this is the Crown Queen, Mutual Aid and Cooperation. This is the bonus, this is the cash. As soon as you are working, at the end of every month, you must earn your salary. The same thing with MMM. When you donate to someone, a friend, a participant in the community, you wait. At the end of the month, your reward is awaiting for you. Mutual aid. That's the benefits of MMM. If you help someone, as I rightly said before, now, why you have extra money, you can get help from MMM community when you are the one in need. That is why I say MMM is a global community, people that help themselves. Participants who donate their extra money will earn 30% compounded rate on their donation. Avail bonuses like 10% referral bonus from the donation, from the donations of people you refer from to MMM. You can see, anybody that is working hard, you reap the fruits of your labor. As a manager, you have bonus, you have percentage. When you build your own downline, you will be there to benefit from the donation of people you refer to MMM. Manager, when build a team of MMM participants, get registration bonus from $20 to $100. Video bonus is also accepted. When you do it, you get your reward of $3 to $5. The greatest part is that when you are part of MMM, you have a community who is ready to help you when you are in need. Be a registered member today in MMM and enjoy the benefits. I must tell you, MMM is rare. MMM is okay. MMM is good. Let's see the slide from the beginning. This is the MMM. What is MMM? This is the ideology. This is how it works. This is the rules and regulation guiding MMM. Then, lastly, this is the MMM bonus. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much. Long live MMM.